I want to see how it's going to be like with you guys. Tell me what you think about the spoiler delete. And I'm not entirely sure exactly what I'm gonna do with my old one. We'll go ahead and see. Oh shoot, I wasn't supposed to show you guys this. We're gonna do a little second to third gear pull right now. My favorite spot. Hear the wonderful straight pipe. I love my exhaust. I love it so much. Well, actually, on my last video, if you guys did not see, I did a cold start as well as I chopped inside of the garage, and this guy was sleeping through it. So to be honest, guys, I think I need more loud. When I first started this channel, I didn't know how welcoming, how awesome, how cool the car community was. You guys were one of the coolest groups of people I've ever met, and I could call you family. And connecting with you guys on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever it may be, I didn't know that using your resources around you with other car guys can benefit you so much. If you haven't seen my previous video, I traded my exhaust. I got this, which I'll tell you a little bit more about in a second, by just hitting people up on Instagram, on Facebook, and just talking, hey, you want to go ahead and trade? Is one of the most coolest things I have seen. The Mustang community is the biggest, it's the strongest, it's the most loyal. I highly encourage you guys to reach out, helping each other out, and I appreciate that, and I thank you so much. I would not be where I am today if it wasn't for you guys, and because of you guys, I was able to have the privilege of getting this wing. So before we go ahead and talk, let's go to Home Depot and pick up a much needed tool. This was way long overdue. I got the 3/8 adapter for a wrench, I got the drill bits, and I got the drill. Guys, I just put the wing on right now. I'm just gonna let you guys look at it. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. It's not on right now. It's not done. I still have to drill a hole. That's why I got the drill here. But just so far, look at that big wing status. Look, I'm pretty excited. I don't know about you guys. I know I'm gonna have so many more haters, but let's go ahead and talk about this before we start the installation. JD 420s are the same guy that gave me the Roush Extremes. Also did not want his wing anymore. He was actually looking for the Borla S-Type Stingers, which I had, and he was also looking for my MMD ducktail spoiler. And he had this one with his Roush, if you guys saw previously, and I really wanted this. I wanted to go big, I wanted to go outrageous. This is the APR big wing spoiler. This goes for like $800, and I was able to work things out with Justin with some cash and a trade, and I was able to get my dream wing. It is not installed. I want to stop talking about it. I just want to start installing it, and that's what I'm going to do. So I have a drill. I'm basically going to mark on the paint where this bolt goes into, and hopefully it will work out. I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys down, get a crayon, try marking it, and start drilling. So I got a yellow crayon. I was hoping for white, but yellow will do. All I'm gonna do right here is try my best to mark exactly where it's putting down. I already put it right here because I have to do it off of camera. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, and then we're gonna go ahead and take the wing off and finally install it. I honestly hate drilling holes into my car. I know I mess up a lot. We're just gonna have to do it. We have to do what we have to do. I'm starting off small with the small drill bit, then I'm gonna make my way bigger and bigger until it finally gets in, and we'll go from there. Wish me luck. I don't know if you guys could see, but we are right on target. I just got to make that hole bigger and it should slide right in. Wow, I was trying to reveal it yesterday since this is a new day I shaved, as you guys could see. I totally forgot the hardware to go ahead and bolt it up, and I didn't want to go ahead and show you guys it incomplete. So I bolted it up last night at my apartment. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the reveal because I just cannot wait. I know you guys are gonna be shocked. I'm just gonna go ahead and reveal it to you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the new Sally, a new change. And I hope you guys like it. Here it is, the APR carbon fiber big ol' wang. I'm honestly speechless. Like, it just completely changed the look of my car. The only angle, because I have been looking at this previously, the only angle I'm not a big fan about is the direct on. Like, if you were just go ahead and look at it straight, I need to go ahead and get used to this view, but if you go ahead and walk around, it just looks a lot better. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it out in the sun, have this beautiful carbon fiber reflect off of it, tell you more about it, show you more angles of it, and just show you guys everything about this sick new spoiler. This is one of the mods I've always wanted to do for so long. A big old wing. Great change from the MMD. I know you guys love it. I know you guys are gonna miss it. I know I'm gonna miss it as well. It's definitely changed the whole look of my ride. I definitely gonna have to make more modifications to my car in order for it to blend well, if that makes sense. Because I had the muscle car look, and slapping this on, which I'm gonna show you my favorite angle, at this way, it looks like a race car now. Sally is a race car. The wing by itself, that single mod, single-handedly changed the look of my ride. And I told you, the angles, it's all about the angles for this wing. I don't know what about it. I do have to get used to it. I do have to see exactly the best looks on the carbon fiber wing. Here it is in the bright daylight. I want to show you guys the carbon fiber because it is absolutely stunning. I did wash it as well to make it even look better. This is my first carbon fiber piece on my car, and I'm super excited about it. I'm gonna do more carbon fiber to this car just because I love carbon fiber, and who doesn't like carbon fiber? And looking at it, I am in love. If you are in love too, smash that like button. If you don't like the wing, still give it a thumbs up. Tell me why you hate it down in the comments. Please don't hate me. Bigger changes are coming. One of the things also I wanted to go ahead and do, which I kind of gave away this mod in regards to my air freshener, the Ryder air freshener, which guys, if you have not got your air freshener already, please go to nateryder.com/shop. Grab your black ice or new car air freshener. I appreciate the support so much, but looking at the bottom, or looking at the wing right here, I gave it away that I was changing it up, and now we finally got it. And if you keep on looking at the air freshener, the hood doesn't look like the hood right here, so you guys are gonna want to stay tuned for that coming up. But yeah, here it is. Thank you so much, Justin. I appreciate it so much for the support. I encourage you guys to reach out to one another, see if anybody wants to go ahead and trade for that. Again, we are going to do big old things. Make sure you slam that subscribe button right now. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't for more pictures, because I'll be posting lots and lots of pictures. Comment down below whatever you like. My name is Nate Ryder. Be different, strive on, and keep on riding.